Hello, my dear friend. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you very much for checking out the video. Let's start the video with a quick flip through of my July Bujo. Last month, my theme was Majestic Giraffe. You can check out my last month Bujo setup video. I will put the link on I button and description too. If you are new in my channel, welcome to my channel. I am Suparna. I am sharing my Bujo journey with you through this platform and Instagram too. You can follow me there also. After completed 3 years of my bullet journey, I choose this channel to share my experience with you. How journaling changed my life, helped me to drag out myself from depression and make me physically and mentally strong. So subscribe the channel. I will bring lots of video in very soon. Okay, let's start discussing about the August 2021 Bujo setup. As you see, I choose peacock as my theme of August. I have a strong emotional reason behind to choose peacock as my August theme. I am an Indian and 15 August is our Independence Day. I wanted to draw something which represents my country India. Peacock is our national bird and my favorite bird too. So I choose peacock as my August theme. Here I draw a peacock and a peahen are sitting on some of my imaginary branches. I am trying to draw some flower there inspired by our national flower lotus. I write the month name on the top of the page. I love to add a positive quote related with my theme at my cover page. Quote of the month is "Be true, be you, and you will discover a stunning beauty within yourself." This is my calendar page. I write the name of the month as I write on cover page in my own calligraphy style. I always start my month with the start with section where I write how I start my month physically, mentally and spiritually. I add my planner calendar on the other page and some place for the goals and notes section. I make the action plan to achieve that goal also at that same time. I illustrated a fictional peacock inspired by our national flag, Saffron, white and green are the color of our national flag, and it has a blue Ashok Chakra in the middle of white. I only use different shades of that four colors to make my drawing beautiful, and I fully satisfied with the result. In my habit tracker page, I write title at the top of the page in my unique calligraphy style. I prefer to write dates and dates horizontally and habit vertically. And at the bottom of the page, I make a graph chart of my productivity level and wasting time level. I draw a peacock is sitting on a branch from front side. I see most of the photos of peacocks from back side or with full open plumage. When I find these photos, I am tempted to draw this, but it is little bit challenging for me to draw a blurry background with only color pencils. But somehow I manage it, and it's turned out great. I share some fun fact about peacock here. Peacock is male of the species and peahen is feminine, and the hatchlings are called peachicks. The whole species are called peafowl. Peacock sound is called scream. During the spring or their mating season, I heard that sound almost every day in early morning, and sometimes spotted them from my balcony. We reach the most important page of my whole Bujo setup, my yoga workout page. I plan my daily workout and yoga schedule here, and also keep track of my progress here. I draw a peacock feather in a flowy movement, and I try to write my title in same flow. First I thought to keep those pages black and white. Then I add different shades of blue and yellow. They complement each other beautifully. I draw the feathers end as a nib. In ancient India, peacock feathers are widely used as writing tool. Nowadays also you find peacock feathers most of the Indian home. We have some religious value too for the peacock feather. Don't worry, peacock are not killed for their feather. Peacock tend to shed their feathers naturally in a process called molting. The shedding process began every year after mating season between February and August. The feathers are then gathered and sold by vendors, and the peacock are go back again their feathers before the mating season start. This is my weekly pages. I like to make my weekly in Dutch door style and write down the serenity pair on the side of my weeklies so I can read it every day. I draw a green peacock searching for its food here. There are mainly two types of peacock. First one is blue peacock, commonly known as Indian peacock, mainly found on India and Sri Lanka. And the second one is green peacock, commonly found on other South Asian countries. I draw that green peacock here. I also try to showcase their food habit here. Peacock are omnivorous and eat mostly plant, flower petals, seed heads, insect and other arthropods, reptiles and amphibians. These birds are not picky and eat almost anything they can fit in their beak and diet. Indian peacock are also eat small snakes too. This is the cover page of my Diary of August. In this section, I write down about my whole day briefly. The time of writing, I mainly focus on the positive things, but I write the negative things also. This practice allows me to enter a gratitude zone and help me to sleep more peacefully. On demand of my son, I draw a peafowl family on the cover of my journal. I draw only one hatchling here because I have only son. But peahen mother have 5 to 9 hatchlings at once. She is also very protective and caring for her chicks. Peafowl is friendly nature bird, but peahen become very aggressive if anyone getting closer to their nest. This is the last page of my August Bujo. After writing the last date of August, I have some place left. I keep it empty for my braindump section. I also keep the last page almost empty for my keep in mind for September section. I add a little peacock feather here with infinite love, peace and life. We almost reached to the end. Before finishing the video, let's take a final flip through of my August 2021 Bujo setup. And please subscribe for more Bujo videos. If you like my hard work, please like the video and don't forget to share your thoughts with me in comment section. It's helped me to do better in future. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you are enjoying the video. I will coming very soon with my September Bujo setup video with a new very interesting theme. Till then, bye, stay safe, healthy and happy.